In today's video, I'll show you how to access Microsoft Teams Web in just a few minutes. Whether you're completely new to Microsoft Teams or you just need a quick refresher on how to use it through a web browser, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to visit the Microsoft Teams website, open any web browser you prefer, and go to the official Microsoft Teams page. This works on almost any device with an internet connection and a browser, which makes Teams easy to access no matter where you are. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams website, the next step is signing in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually easy to spot. Click it, and you'll be taken to the Sign In page where you'll enter your account details. If you're using Microsoft Teams for work or school, sign in with your work or school email address and password. If you're using Teams for personal use, simply enter your Microsoft account credentials. The sign-in process is quick, but if you run into any issues, double-check your login details or use Microsoft's password recovery options. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken directly into Microsoft Teams online. From here, you can join meetings, chat with coworkers or classmates, collaborate on projects, and explore all the tools Teams has to offer. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, but it's a good idea to spend a little time getting familiar with the different features and settings. Here's a quick tip before we finish. If you use Microsoft Teams regularly, consider bookmarking the Teams website in your browser. This makes it much faster to access the next time you need to join a meeting or check your messages. And that's it. You now know how to access Microsoft Teams online, sign in, and get started with the web version. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform, and now that you're online, you're ready to make the most of it from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and feel free to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.